Gianmarco.
Amore, senti la nonna, vai a prendere un po' di pane?
Sì, sì, vado a prendere il pane.
Soldi, se non ce l'hai te li
No, no, no,
do.
ce l'ho. 3 panini?
Quello che vuoi, quello che vuoi.
Ok,
Dai.
va bene, dai. Alright, so my grandma is sending me on a mission. Nonna! Ciao! Saluta! Ah? Okay. The tradition here in Italy is that we have to go get bread, fresh bread from the fresh bakery. So we're gonna go to the fresh bakery right now to get some fresh bread for lunch.
It's too late. I know now. I'm giving in. I can't back down. And you're so hot. Your web I'm caught. Just one more night. Tell me to stop. Although I know we must come to an end.
Fresh bread, pastries, focaccia, all the Italian beautiful things that they make. Rustico too, you have to try that. Ciao, due panini croccanti e un all'olio per favore.
All'olio non ho più nulla.
Vabbè, 2 croccanti va bene.
Però ti do
C'è una ciabatta. Sì. Grazie.
Grazie a te.
Ciao, buona giornata.
Ciao.
Bread! Butter! Now let's go to my grandma's house. In Italy, fresh bread is important, and I love my bread, so I can't. Yeah, I know you like it. Yes, sir. You see it right there? That's my motherfucking last name. Another one of these antique elevators. Il pane del giorno, signora.
Grazie.
Ciao, nonna.
Ciao, vedo.
Io li sto facendo vedere a tutti come la mia vita qua in Italia.
Italia.
E adesso li devo fare vedere la nonna mia bella, bellissima, che cosa mi ha fatto da mangiare oggi. Oh no, no? Che cosa hai fatto oggi?
Le lasagne.
Nonna's lasagna.
Sì, sì.
This is the best lasagna you will ever eat in your life. If you ever get to try it, which you won't, sadly for you.
Oh, really? That sucks.
But here we go.
Tieni Rosy. Grazie nonna. Poi quel piatto mi metto le polpette? Sì.
Ok.
Tanto il sugo. Fatto col sugo. Va bene.
And we got our fresh bread. Check it out, guys. That is fresh bread, bro.
Buon appetito, mangiate.
Buon appetito.
Buono.
Buono? Mmm.
Cover all 9,000 taste bud. Aerate it. Warm it up. That's a 10.
Quanto buona lasagna di la nonna. In Italy, there's multiple plates to our dishes. So right now we're eating the first plate, and then we're gonna eat something that has protein. So with meat, it could be fish. The third thing we eat is actually like almonds, like walnuts, and then the fourth thing that we eat, fruits. So, and then of course, if you guys wanna add this additional step, the fifth, that would be the dessert. But of course, you can't be having 5 courses every time. E poi il caffè, and then the coffee. Buonissimo. 10 su 10. Buono, bravo. Oppa. These are freshly made meatballs. Buono. La nonna più bella e brava del mondo, sì. Quanto mi è mancato. I had 2 years that I didn't see my beautiful nonna. I always miss her so dearly because grandma like her, there's no other. You're the first person I've ever taken to Italy. So
Good.
in the second plate, we will have the meats, salad, or it could be fish, you know, stuff like that, other types of vegetables. Okay, and now we are finally done with the polpette. And now we're gonna eat some fresh almonds, not the one, you literally gotta crack it, and walnuts.
Noci.
Walnuts, no?
Noci.
Those are called walnuts. My grandma says that these are good for your brain. Buono per il cervello, no? Here in Italy, we eat a lot. Damn, my boy, you got sunburnt. Look at my head. Why you stayed in the sun? Why don't you put sunscreen on? Don't you see you're white like a paper? Huh?
Shut up.
Oppa, che fai, no? Ah, la
Tutta la
lavatrice?
pulizia della lavatrice la nonna, vedi?
Mm.
Lo devo pulire qua. Ho speso già tutte le cose di...
So next, we have fresh anguria, watermelon, in season peaches, because right now it's summertime and peaches are in
Mi
season.
capisco quanto l'annetto.
While I'm in Italy, guys, I don't even have to wash a single dish. I don't even cut my own fruit. My beautiful grandma does it for me. Wow,
Guarda,
sabroso.
Boh, devi essere buona, l'ho mangiata da
Wow.
Gisella. Da Gisella ieri.
I've never seen a peach like that.
Buonissime.
Quasi sembra una pesca nera.
Ieri la signora di qua dentro, mamma, che bel nipote che c'è qua dentro.
Chi?
La signora di giù.
Ah, mi ha visto?
2.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Eccolo, perché ti hanno fatto i complimenti che sei alto
E che so
sei
bello. Grazie, grazie.
Rosso.
No, tu... Wow, it's like blood. Sembra sangue.
Queste sono le bestie.
Non c'è proprio.
Hai visto?
Bro, that's so sweet.
È male che mangi.
Mm.
Voglio provare.
Aspetta Rosmo, te la faccio a te una.
Dai, sai già una, vai.
Ma intanto assaggeranno, te la faccio a te questa. Tu non la vuoi?
Vediamo, vediamo.
No, allora fatela.
It's really good, right? It's sweet. Now, as we're finishing our fruit, Nonna is already preparing the coffee. Today, we're not gonna have dessert because, bro, it's a Monday. We don't need to be having dessert after we had 5 meals.
Maybe we get an ice cream, you don't know.
Maybe we get ice cream. Later, we'll go for some gelato. That's what we're gonna do. Tu adesso c'hai 78 anni, no?
77.
Ah, 77, scusa. Tu, un consiglio che gli darei al mondo. Qual è un consiglio che tu gli darei al
Di
mondo?
cambiare.
Un buon consiglio.
Di cambiare il mondo per i giovani. Più lavoro, più economia stabile. È questo. Io da Marco nonna non ho imparato perché io ho fatto sempre la casalinga. Quindi non è che ho lavorato fuori, c'è esperienza di lavori, di cose, capisci?
Vabbè, una cosa bella.
Tanta fortuna e tanta salute per tutti.
E molto amore.
E amore, brava.
Right here, I hold some of the fondest memories. I used to love playing soccer here with all the kids that live all around these little apartments here. And we used to use these as the goals. And obviously on the other side. How I miss being a kid, man. I wish I could be an innocent kid all over again. Now I realize how much shit life really is. But we're trying to make the most of it. So hopefully you're having a fantastic day. That was the first day of us eating at my grandma's, my nonna's house for a week.
The next day.
We are on day 2 of what it's like to eat at my grandmother's, my nonna's house here in Italy. And today we brought a ball because right after we're gonna eat at my nonna's, we're actually gonna go to the beach because it is way too damn hot. Check it out, there's not even a single cloud in the sky. Today we don't have to get the bread because my grandma actually already got it this morning. I actually have no idea what we're gonna eat, so it's gonna be a complete surprise. Is it impressive? Okay. Come on, because we're late for lunch. All right. Ciao. Bonjour, papà. Ciao. Ciao nonna. Come stai? Che stai facendo?
Sto cucinando
I ceci, no?
e lenticchie.
E lenticchie, ah, buone. Here in Italy, actually, yesterday I know we didn't turn on the TV. It's actually very normal for Italian families to turn on the TV while they're eating and to listen to the news. Most Italian families, almost every single one, eats around 1 o'clock, and that's the exact time that they put the main daily news. But here we are. Grandma Nonna got us some tarallini. This is Italian.
Guarda,
Wow! Queste sono le crocchette, no?
che sei patate. Ho messo più lenticchie, se già
Ok. Buono. aspetta, tu mangi la pasta di ceci, io mangio le lenticchie. Come sta facendo qua?
You know I'm a special guy, so
It's okay. I like lentils better anyway. So my dad's eating pasta with garbanzo bean,
garbanzo.
and I'm eating pasta with lentils, which I love very, very much.
So
and
maybe the other one they're gonna eat pasta with beans.
let's see. No, she got lentils.
Ale mangia le lenticchie solisco qua, non mi piace.
Sì, gli piace, gli piace.
Sì, va bene, contiene molto ferro. Vito?
Contiene molto che, nonna?
Ferro.
Ferro. Fa bene, no?
Sì, sì. I legumi fanno bene, sai?
A me piace tanto le lenticchie.
E mangia.
Literally every day it's a new pasta here in this house. You know, there's so many different types that you're gonna eat, and it's so balanced throughout the week. So as you guys saw yesterday, we ate lasagna with like a ragu meat, and then we ate the meatballs, and now we're eating pasta with lentils, which is very, very good. And these are freshly made, not from the can. These are literally straight from the farmer.
Correct.
Correct, right?
Correct.
All right, let's give it a try. So good. You probably don't expect the flavor that I'm tasting right now. You like it?
Piatti così.
Le crocchette stanno pronti. Madò che buone questi. They're so good.
Davide!
Really good, right?
Se fare tutta sempre. Ma cosa ti vai? Oggi con la nonna come cucina?
Buono.
La mamma tua gli dice, la nonna di Gianmarco.
Cucina molto bene.
Now we just finished eating our first and second, and of course to the third, the fruits. And we also bought some fresh peaches this morning. Our melon for today, which we bought fresh, and we got some fresh peaches. I don't get my peaches from California, I get them from Italy. Now I gotta put this on video. So today we are having dessert. Grandma got some hazelnut ice cream with chocolate chips.
And Nutella.
No, that's it. I'm good. Bro, I've gained literally like 10 pounds already while I've been here.
That's a 10.
Nonna, digli ci vediamo domani.
Ci vediamo domani.
Con la nuova ricetta lì.
Con la nuova ricetta.
Vamos a la playa. Oh, oh. Cuisine. Like, onde está aí? And here we are. Made it to the beach, Brindisi Beach. Buongiorno everyone, today is day 3 of eating at my nonna's house. Right now, I just got out of the gym. As you can see, I'm all sweaty because your boy need to lose some weight after eating all this food, bro. Like, if not, we're gonna become a rounded ball is what we're gonna become. You know, a few hundred calories probably. Probably not enough compared to what we're gonna eat today. But our nonna this morning has told us that we need to go get some fresh fish, some fresh cozze here at La Pescheria. See, here in Italy, everything's fresh. All the fish is fresh. Nothing is frozen, you know. So there's fishermen here. There's 1, 2, 3 different little fishermen shops where they sell all types of different fish. And right now we're gonna go in this one right here. It's called Mare Blu. And you guys are gonna see everything that they fished out this morning. Look, literally, look, this is what we're getting. Giorno. Let's see what the inside looks like. And yeah, I'm just gonna let my dad go ahead and negotiate, or I don't know, buy the gozze. Gozze is black clams, pretty much. I don't know, how do you say the black clams? How do you say it in English? It's not black clams. What is it called? Somebody comment down below. I forgot what they're called. Oh, mussels. Mussels. That's what it's called. Mussels. And And here we are in the streets of Brindisi. We got the Mulone guy who sells the
Marshmallow.
water marshmallow. Watermelon. So this guy sells watermelon right here. Then we got the guy selling what we just bought, the gozze.
La frutta.
This guy's selling stuff too. You know, we got a lot of entrepreneurs here. Entrepreneurs of fish and fruits. And there is Itza, che mulone. That's in dialecto brindisino. That means, wow. Damn, what a watermelon. Here we got another. This is what we just bought right here. Le cozze. So buone le cozze? Mo ma venire. Alright. Alright, so right now we're gonna go ahead and bring these to la nonna. Nonna! Dai nonna, siediti. Tortellini, cotta, and spinach. Yummy. You ready, baby? Okay. Fresh bread, of course. That's the thing that you like the most in life. Bread. And you're skinny. I don't understand. Buon appetito! Alright, let's try it. Wow. I have my shirt off right now because it's way too hot outside, and we lack AC here in Italy, so we gotta, you know, accommodate by taking our shirts off. And now on to the second dish of the day. We got cozze gratinate, black mussels with breadcrumbs, Italian style, South Italy style, because this is a staple Italian dish right here, South Italy of Puglia, and Rocio loves it. You like it? It's good? Buono?
Vieni, mangia, piglia e mangia. Cioè, vedi che questi poi non lo lasciate parecchio frutto.
Che cosa?
Quando mangiate questo, se rimane un po' con la forchetta, sollevate e mangiate. Se no rimane un poco sotto e va buttato.
That's a 10.
Adesso mangiamo la frutta. Nonna Silvana sta tagliando. So we're on to the third. Ah, oggi non mangiamo noi allora.
La vuoi?
No, va bene, cioè la frutta va bene. We forgot. No, io la voglio. No. Alright, well, here are the nuts. Alrighty guys, so we just got out of my grandma's house, and that concludes day 3 of eating at my nonna's house.